Mr. Algernon Wolf, you are about to be sent to your doom for your malicious and deliberate attempt to take the lives of those 3 innocent little pigs. And now, before we drop you out of the picture, have you anything to say?
Have I got anything to say? I'll say I have. I've been framed. I've been sabotaged by those 3 fugitives from a football factory. Them's the guys what should be hung, not me. And furthermore... My friends, look at me.
Do I look like a killer?
You said it, brother.
They say I huffed and puffed and blew their house down.
Why, they huffed and puffed and blew my house down.
My friends, I'll tell you what really happened. I'm living quietly in my little rose-covered cottage at the edge of town, making a meager but honest living as a music teacher. Everything in my modest little home was one of peace and harmony. One day, as I was busy crocheting a new bathtub, there came a knock at the door. I sprang from my chair and hastened across the room. Well, is there anything I can do for you boys?
Yeah, we want you to learn us to play music.
Excellent, excellent. Shall we begin now?
Shoot the tune to us, goon.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Come, that will never do. Now let's try it once more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. That, my friends, is the absolute truth.
Get false 3 pigs!
Boy, did I talk myself out of that one. And did those saps fall for it? And what a bunch of... Help! Help! Get me out of here! Help!